Get paid PayPal money again and again and again for as long as you want, and for free without investing any cent, and better yet, without investing a second. Yes! Watch and learn how to get paid to do nothing. Hello guys, welcome to this new and exciting money making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and if you like PayPal money and want to know how to make some of it online while you do nothing, then this short video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make money online, and all 100% for free and for literally doing nothing. And if you want to get even more completely free payments sent to your PayPal account, then stay until the end of this video for my 2 bonus ways to earn more PayPal money. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell, because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, let's jump into our 2 different ways plus our 2 bonus ways on how you can get completely free PayPal money transferred to your hands with 0 experience required, with 0 money to get started, with 0 effort, and available for absolutely all you guys watching, since today's options are open worldwide. Alright, so the first way is with an app called MacMoney. You can of course download and open this app on your phone, but for this video I'm going to access their website using my laptop since it's easier for me to show and explain it to you. But you can surely just use your phone and follow along to get that free PayPal money for doing nothing. And remember that if you stay until the end of this video, you will receive my 2 special bonus ways that are gonna allow you to make a lot more money. Now, with this MacMoney app, you can earn around $5 a month by just installing it and leaving it open. After this, you can withdraw all your money via your PayPal account. So as you see, this is then a real passive income stream. You will earn cash completely passively without any effort on your part other than just downloading and installing this app. The way MacMoney works is super simple and easy to understand. When you install the app on your Android, MacMoney is going to start sending you random test SMS messages. For every received SMS, you will receive a certain amount of dollars to your PayPal account, and the amount depends on your current location. To start to earn money with MacMoney, you simply come over to the official website at MacMoneyApp.com and click on the download APK button to follow the download process and install it on your Android device. Then you enter your mobile number, your name, and your PayPal address to get your money. You will need to provide a valid data since you must verify it later in the process. But you have to keep in mind that once you complete this process, you don't have to move a finger for this money, which makes it passive income. You don't even have to worry about the content of the messages you receive since they are just random characters. So if you want, you may simply ignore or delete the messages as soon as you receive them. Whatever you do with them will not affect your earnings. So you see that with MacMoney, you really don't have to do anything to get paid PayPal money for free. Now, the next app that I'm going to show you is called Smart App. And again, I will show you how it works from my computer, but you can access it from your smartphone without any problem. So, Smart App is a panel where you can be making money online while you do nothing but share data about your internet usage. And also, if you want to increase those earnings, you can sometimes take service if you want. A Smart App was basically created for gathering data about consumer behavior on the internet. So once you have the app installed, it will anonymously share data about your internet usage. Now, you don't have to worry because all the data is encrypted, secure, and protected. All of the collected data is used for apps, websites, and many technology companies to study how people use their internet devices so they can make better products and services. So how it works is really simple. You just sign up and take a short survey to find out if you qualify to participate with the Smart App research studies. Then, once you qualify, you just install the Smart App on your registered devices. Then you just keep the devices connected to earn that sweet money. So as you see, with this option, you actually do not have to do anything after you install it. You just have to make sure it is connected and sending data. Then just enjoy the money. And one of the best things about it is that the app can be installed on any device, whether you have a tablet or smartphone or on both, to add up even more money. So these are the 2 main ways in which you can earn money with a Smart App. As I said, you can take service to earn cash and get automatically entered in monthly giveaways just for keeping your devices connected. And the most interesting way to make money with the app is with the regular rewards. So basically, once you sign up and get accepted, then for every 30 days you stay connected, you will earn $5. But this gets better because the earnings increase over time. Yes. First, when you get accepted as a panel member of SmartUp, you will get an instant $5 bonus. And if you continue as a member for 3 months, you will get another $5 bonus. And after 6 months, you will get $10 added to your account. And you will continue to get this bonus every 3 months after that. And of course, you can get your earnings deposited to your PayPal account. Or if you want, you can also get Amazon gift cards. Now, if you want to learn more about this app, you can come over to the top part of the website and click on the frequently asked questions link to take a closer look at the most important facts. Here you can basically read more in depth how your collected data will be used, more on your privacy information, also that you won't ever be charged for using this app, among many other things. And maybe some of you are thinking, well, I don't want to share my data. And well, actually, if you have the Amazon app, the Google app, or the Facebook app installed on your smartphone, then you're probably already sharing everything about you, including your browsing habits. And with those apps, you have done that without getting a cent from it. So now you have the chance to collect some nice PayPal money with SmartUp without doing any work at all. Very interesting, right? Well, then come and download the SmartUp to start making money for doing nothing at all. For now, this app is only available for USA residents, but we still have more ways to make money online worldwide to cover. So keep watching, because the more ways you learn to make money on the internet, well, the more money you will be able to earn. You can combine all of this 100% legit and proven ideas together, and the money will start to add up for you. Now, it's time to get into our 2 bonus ways to do nothing and get paid PayPal money for free. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Alright, so bonus number 1 is SlideJoy. Did you know that you unlock your mobile phone around 80 times a day? Then what if you could get paid for doing this? Well, this app will give you real money for each and every time you unlock your phone. Once this app is downloaded 100% for free, ads appear on your lock screen. For every slide you do on the ads, you earn points, which then can become cash in different gift card options. We can come over to the Google Play Store and see it has over 100,000 reviews with an almost 4-star rating. And if we click to read more about it, this is how it works. So once you register on SlideJoy, every time you unlock your phone, you will get a card with news or a promotion on your lock screen. So you can slide up on your lock screen to see more news, or you can slide right on your lock screen to unlock your phone and go to your home screen. Or you can slide left on your lock screen to get more information on that content, or you can just slide down on your lock screen to access your notifications and app shortcut menu. This is definitely one of the most simple ways to get paid, and you can even choose to see trending news tailored to your interests. It's an easy and effortless way to make money from an app. With SlideJoy, you could be earning from $3 to $5 a month. You can redeem your earnings for cash-like rewards gift cards when you reach the minimum amount. The app has been featured by well-known media outlets like The Today Show, The Wall Street Journal, TechCrunch, CNBC, Business Insider, and Fox. So you know it's legit and you will definitely get paid. SlideJoy is available in the United States, the European Economic Area, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland. At this moment, SlideJoy is available only for Android phones, but we still have one more great bonus app that you can make money from home with if you are an iOS user, and it's called HoneyGain. This is a very exciting app because it will pay you literally on autopilot without doing anything. And I will leave you a complete step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to make money with this app down in the description box. And what is best about this app is that you can get an instant $5 bonus to start motivated if you use my promo code CATALV53D1. I will leave this promo code in the description box below for you to copy. You can just install the 100% free app, which is available on Android, Windows, and Mac OS. then connect it to the internet and earn money passively. According to the site, you can earn up to $30 a month when you share 10 gigabytes a day of your unused net traffic with data scientists. Another great thing about this app is that you can make money with up to 5 devices on a single network at the same time. They could even be your tablet or your laptop, all this from the comfort of your own home. But to have the best revenue potential, you should have one device per IP address. Of course, the more devices you have this app on, the more money you'll make. It is said that people are earning more than $100 a day, but I calculate that you can achieve this if you have over 5 devices working for you. Honeygain has on its website a calculator that you can use to better estimate how much money you will be able to make. As you see, if you sell 6 gigabytes a day, you can earn $19. But if you sell more gigabytes, for example, you sell 20 gigabytes, you could earn $61 a month without doing anything. And if you want to make even more money, you can simply invite your friends with your own referral link, and 10% of their daily earnings will be added to your account. So for example, if your referral reaches $50 a month, you earn an extra $5. You will get paid to your PayPal account once you reach $20. So I definitely recommend you get this app to get paid PayPal money for free while you do nothing, or you can just go to sleep. And if you really want to start seeing your PayPal balance grow like crazy, then click and watch this next video right here to discover how you can earn $130 per hour watching YouTube videos. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.